Good morning, guys. This is the next day. We woke up at 8 a.m. yesterday, and I think we got shut down around 8:40, something like that. It's currently 8:59, so I did a pre-trip this morning. Well, so I don't think I was actually parked till like 9. So I don't even know, because like when I woke up this morning at 8, it said that I'd only been off duty for 10 hours and 40 minutes. So what does that even mean? I don't even want to do the math. I'm too tired. Anyways, we got up this morning, did a pre-trip, ran inside the truck stop, did what we needed. We got 260 miles to go to our delivery, and then Cornell said we can get unloaded today. It's due tomorrow, but he said we can get it unloaded today. And then he said he had a load for me planned next, but I was like, where's it going? He's like, I don't know. And he's like, I'm trying to figure that out. I'm like, bro, like I was gonna wake up at like 8:30 this morning and get to going, but he called me earlier, and then the first call I sent a voicemail, because I was like, damn bro, like my 10 hour just got up. So I ignored it, because like on the app it says this is due Wednesday at, I don't even know what time, just Wednesday sometime in the morning. So I was just like, I'll just, sleep until 8:30. And then I got a call at like 8, or maybe even earlier, and I sent it straight to voicemail. And then like 5 minutes later I was getting another call, and I was like, alright, I better answer. I answered, and he's like, hey, I think I got us another load. And I was like, where's it going? He's like, I don't know yet. I'm like, what? How are you gonna say you might have us another load, but you don't even know the details? And he's like, what time can you make it there? I'm like, alright, and then I had to like do the math, like halfway asleep. So I told him 1:30, and he's like, okay, I'll tell him you'll be there at 2, which I was way off, because it's 9 a.m. and it's only 4 hours from here. So that's 1, literally 1. So, and this guy in front of me, man, I'm passing him. He'll probably come back around me, but all right. So we arrived here at the receiver. We just checked in at the guard check, but apparently we got to go down all the way, and then there's like a place I'm supposed to park, I think is what she said. I don't know. OC dock, OC check-in. What the heck does that mean? All right, hold on. All right, so that guard check lady kind of told me wrong. She told me to go all the way down, but I stopped here because it said shipping and receiving, and I'm glad I did, because I went to the right place. I don't know if there's anything down further. We got to get turned around here. Oh, lordy. And we're going into 307. Checking straight back it, so I'm gonna go down and come around. I was gonna set up a side, but there's no need to if I can just do a straight back. So that's what we're gonna do here. I think I can go through here, right? Yeah. Gotta slide our tandems to the rear, and we gotta drop. We can't be in the dock, he said, which sucks, but that's whatever. All right. This is 307 here. Alright. Cut it up hard. Messed it up a little bit, that's okay. Hopefully this railroad track's inactive. Because I gotta slide my tandems up. Actually, I might be able to open it in the lines. Oh, come on, Nelly. Damn, I need to shift it over. Damn it. Going. Oh, that's the wrong way.
that messed me up. Come on. Alright, I gotta fix it one more time because I had the wheel. I thought it was straight, but it wasn't. So, right. And left. Now, and then right. There we go. I'll just get past these railroad tracks here and then I'll go open my doors right there. Alright, so we pulled the lever to slide our tandem, so we're gonna do that now. Just like so. There we go. Gonna push that in, hold the brake. We're still a little bit off, but it should be okay. Maybe. Gosh dang it. That's as good as I'm gonna get it, so this bumper nice and easy. Bounced off a little bit and hold it there. Now we gotta drop it. This place is mad annoying. So I get here and I came to this guard shack originally. I don't know if I was recording, I think I was on the phone. So I came to this guard shack, they told me to go to the other side, so I was like, okay, no worries. I go to the other side, and then I get told I gotta come back over here, and I'm like, okay. So I come back over here, and then they just called me and told me that my trailer was done being loaded. And I was like, all right, cool. And then the lady was like, but you gotta bring your trailer back over to get your paperwork so we can seal you up. I'm like, bro, what is that? Like, why do I have to go back to the other side with my trailer? Like, I understand the concept, but I just don't understand, like, because it's not fun to go over there, I'll say that right now, but I guess we don't really have a choice. So, and I can hook up while he's waiting to we need to go just a little bit more this way, and then we can cut it under. Right about there's right. Look at that. Shift it a little bit. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. Ooh. I think I'm in it. I hope it made enough contact though. Yeah. So not only did they take 4 hours to load me, I'm fairly sure I'm coming back because my PSI gauge says 65 PSI and I don't even have a quarter tank of fuel. So I'm like, even if I'm over on my drives, I'm going back because like, I need to get fuel. I'm not gonna, and I gotta check engine light. I don't know what's going on. I think I started it too early. It's not throwing any codes up here. I don't know. I probably should get it looked at. But yeah, we gotta go down to this cat scale. Luckily there's a cat scale only 3 miles away. And it's not even like at a truck stop. It's just like a cat scale in like a road, kind of. Like, not a road, but like just like a strip of concrete that has a cat scale in it. I don't know. I've never seen anything like it. But yeah, we're gonna go scale. I'm pretty sure I'm going back, like, without a doubt. Like right now, like, we're driving, it's like fluctuating between like 63 and 67, but my tandems are all the way up, so there's literally nothing I could do. I could put more weight on my drives, but only like 200 pounds. And I'm just not gonna mess with that because it's gonna be over by like 1,000 or 2,000 pounds, and I don't have any fuel. If I was full right now, it'd be off by way more. I was right, we got 34.9 on the drives, 33.6 on the trailer axle. It's 79,840 pounds. I got no fuel, so they're gonna have to go and take a pallet off or something because that's just not gonna work. Which is great because I gotta go back, and I probably better I think I can get back without navigation. I think it's not too far. It's only 3 miles, but Yeah, so we're going back, and we're gonna have to get back in the door, have them take a pallet off. Then we're gonna have to come reweigh again and make sure we're actually legal. But I don't have fuel, so that's what I'm saying is like, I don't really have a choice. Like, it's 79, whatever, like 580 or whatever. I could move weight on my drives, but I still don't think that's gonna do it. So they're gonna have to just take something off. So, sorry, I'm a fat ass. All right, so they reworked the load, I guess. When I come to a stop, so we're stopped right here. It's pretty flat, right? We're still at 65 PSI. And I told them they need to take a pallet off, but I don't think they did, so. I don't know why. They're always like, yeah, we always have problems with drivers being overweight. It's like, well then quit trying to load everyone so freaking heavy, dude. Like, figure it out. So if I go back tonight and it's over, I only have 3 hours left, right? I'm not staying up any longer. It's already been a 14-hour day. I've only drove 350 miles. I'm gonna get paid max attention, and I'll just go back and get it in the morning. I need to get fuel too, because I need to get fuel. Like, I don't even have fuel and I'm already showing 65 PSI, dude. That's why I know this is overweight. Like 62 with like fuel is good, but 65 on an empty tank, that's not good, not at all. So I'm like 90, I would say 85% sure that I'm still over. We're gonna find out here though, just here in a minute. I'm gonna reweigh and I'll show you guys a scale ticket. Hopefully we're good, but even if we're like 100 pounds over on our drives, bro, that's only like 10 gallons of gas, which means I'd only be maybe a quarter of a tank and then have to get like stop every so often and refill up. Like, I'm not doing that. Like, they'll probably gonna have to take another pallet off. Even if I go back and they're like, well, you're under on both, I'll be like, yeah, I don't have no fuel. Like, what are you talking about? But yeah, this is that cat scale I was telling you guys about. Look at it, it's just like, there's no gas station, nothing, it's just a cat scale. But it's kind of cool. I wish there was more of these, especially near like shippers, because sometimes you got to go like 20 miles to get weight. It's a second entrance. All right, let me scale and I'll let you guys know. As if today could get any better. I probably should put my seatbelt on. This freaking cat scale's broken, dude. I sat there for 20 minutes trying to get scaled. It's freaking broken. So now I gotta go. I don't know what this guy's doing. Why is he driving with his lights off? Now I gotta go to the Loves, which probably works out because I need to get fuel anyways. So that's what I'm gonna go do. I'm gonna fill up first, and then I'm filling all the way up because I've already wasted so much fucking time here. It's unreal. So I'm just gonna fill it all the way up. Scale, if it's not legal, it's coming right back because there's no reason that it should even be that close. Like, if you guys load 100 trailers a day, you should know what you can load and what you can't. So that's all I gotta say about that. Wasting driver's time, because when I went in there I was like, yeah, I think I'm overweight. She's like, oh, no worries, it happens all the time. I'm like, yeah, you took 4 hours to load me and now you're gonna tell me that? So we got 12 miles to this Loves. I'm gonna top her off, scale. I'm already at 65 PSI. I know I'm overweight, but they told me they can't rework it unless they have a scale ticket.
Come on, everything is a-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.